Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, May the 12th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one, yes. The binary, yes. It's binary time. Binary puzzle number 8519. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then if I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Well, we have here 3 O1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Then, let me see. Double one. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1, double one here, no, there no. Then between the O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by itself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.